Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add a little magic and calm to your room, you've got to check out this rotating cabin star projector nightlight. This projector offers 5 light modes and 6 beautiful projection themes, including stars, planets, and dreamy night skies. Perfect for kids' rooms or anyone wanting a relaxing atmosphere. Plus, it comes with 10 soothing sounds, like ocean waves, rain, and lullabies, helping you or your little one unwind before bed. It's USB rechargeable, which means you can use it anywhere, and the 360 degrees rotation adds an enchanting effect to the projection. Transform any room into a starry wonderland. Whether for decor, relaxation, or as a gift, this projector is a must-have. Make sure to check the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome product reviews. See you in the next one.